My name is Obafemi Akiwotu, and thank you for having me. And I've decided to prepare this short video because of the conversation people have about ability to cook and being a food scientist. You know, sometimes when you tell people that you're a food scientist and technologist, the first notion is that you should know how to cook. Firstly, a chef prepares a food in form of a menu in the kitchen, and such food could be in form of a breakfast, lunch, or dinner. The food scientists at the other end, they do not prepare food for limited amounts of people. They produce for the masses, and the freshness of the product or the produce is expected to be maintained for a longer period of time, for like 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, or 2 years. So the food is being processed and packaged to maintain its freshness for a long period of time, just like the same product you see in your grocery stores, like Coca-Cola products, Nestle products, etc.
It begins to look beyond cooking. We're looking at the chemistry. Why is the bread turning brown? You keep a dough, or you get your flour mixed with water, yes, and sugar and salt, and then you mix it. After some time it rises. Why is it rising? That's the science. For example, as a food scientist, I know that enzymes are involved. Starch has been broken down, for example, into maltose, and then maltose has been broken down to glucose, and glucose is fermented into ethanol and carbon dioxide that leads to the rising of the dough. That is food science. I want to encourage you, enroll for food science. It's an interesting discipline. It's a discipline that involves, like I said, physics, chemistry, biology. So you want to sharpen those skills before you get enrolled. And when you do this, you will enjoy the discipline. Just do it with passion and erase the notion. Food science is not cooking. Rather, it is science of food. Thank you very much.